Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to upgrade your Android phone version. So so the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. I'm going to click on here to open my phone settings. So it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down, and then you have to look for system right here. Click on that. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and then navigate to system updates. It take you right here. Now you have local upgrade or online upgrade. So I'm going to simply click on online upgrade. Now checking system update. Your system is up to date. Android version 10. Android version security update is this particular date. Now next thing you need to do is to simply click for check for updates if there is any update. Checking for updates. So you can see as at the time of making this video, there was no any latest version of this type of Android phone I'm using. But in your own end, if you are using Android 10 and your phone brand has released a new version of the Android version of your phone, what you need to do is to follow this step here and upgrade to the latest version of the Android. And by upgrading your Android phone, it means that you are going to have a lot of more features as far as new updates is concerned. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to upgrade your Android phone version without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.